Hey, have you heard about AWS ECS?
Yes, it's Amazon Web Services' elastic container service that helps manage Docker containers.
What are some of the key terminologies to know about AWS ECS?
Task definition, task, service, cluster, and container instance are some of the key terminologies that form the foundation of AWS ECS.
Can you explain how they're related?
Think of task definition as a blueprint for starting a Docker container, task as a running container, service as a long-running task of the same task definition, cluster as a logical group of EC2 instances, and container instance as an EC2 instance running Docker and the ECS agent.
That makes sense. How do we put this knowledge into action?
We can follow a practical tutorial example that walks through the process of creating a small Sinatra web service that prints the meaning of life, 42.
What are the steps involved in the tutorial?
We'll create an ECS cluster with a single container instance, create a task definition, set up an elastic load balancer, ELB, and a target group, create an ECS service, confirm everything is working, scale up the service to 4 tasks, and clean it all up.
That sounds like a comprehensive tutorial. What's the key takeaway from it?
AWS ECS is a powerful service that alleviates the complexities of Docker orchestration and provisioning. It provides a comprehensive understanding of AWS ECS, from its terminology to practical implementation.
Thanks for the overview. I'm excited to learn more about AWS ECS.
You're welcome. Happy containerizing!